Hi IELTS people, let's look at some of the exam topics for IELTS speaking. ये वो topics हैं जो exam में आएंगे for the month of October 2023. My name is Vikas. I represent Insignia Overseas. It's one of the leading IELTS and PT institutes in Haryana. Let's look at the first cue card and the follow-ups. These are actually follow-ups, and if you happen to appear for your exam in the next month and this month, you will get these topics in your real exam. So the first cue card, describe one area of science, medicine, physics, etc. that interests you. I say the cue card again, describe one area of science like medicine, physics, etc. that interests you. And the first follow-up, why do some children not like learning science at school? Should children be encouraged to learn science? The third follow-up, should people be encouraged to learn science after graduation? And how do you get to know about scientific news? Prepare these topics. These will be the part of your real exam. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a difficult decision you once made. A very common cue card for this month. Follow-ups. What important decisions do young people need to make after graduation? Do you think children sometimes have to make important decisions? And the last one, who can children turn to for help when making decisions? I repeat the last one, who can children turn to for help when making decisions? Another cue card, very commonly appearing in the exam, describe an occasion when you lost your way. And the follow-ups, why do some people get lost more easily? Do you think it is important to be able to read a map? Do you think it is important to prepare before traveling to a new place? And the last one, how can people find their way when they are lost? The next one is, describe a painting you enjoy watching. And there are three follow-ups. Why do some people keep a painting for a long time? Do you think it is important for children to learn painting at school? And why do some people attach importance to home decoration? Moving on to the fifth cue card, describe an interesting person you never met but would like to know more about. I repeat it, describe an interesting person you never met but would like to know more about. And the follow-ups, do you think big cities are more suitable for children than the countryside? Do you think people nowadays prefer online talking to face-to-face talk? I repeat the second question. Do you think people nowadays prefer online talking to face-to-face talk? The last follow-ups, do you think it is easier for city people to feel lonely than those living in the countryside? Next cue card is, describe a person who has interesting ideas or opinions. Again, a very common cue card for exam. The follow-ups, how do inventors and philosophers come up with new ideas? Do you think children should have their own opinions? Why do children often have similar opinions to their parents? And do you think teachers influence students' opinions? The last cue card for this video, describe a good advertisement that you think is useful. And the follow-ups, how do you feel about online advertising? Are there any great online advertisements? Why does buying new things make people happy? And the last one, do people still watch useless advertisements nowadays? Prepare these cue cards. These are real exam cue cards, and examiners will most likely ask you these questions if you're appearing for your IELTS exam in this month of October 2023. My name is Vikas. I represent Insignia Overseas. It's one of the leading IELTS and PT institutes in Haryana, and we make sure that we make IELTS simple for you. Thank you.